Aloha folks, this is Aaron with Hawaii Music School, and today's lesson is going to take place from the jalopy. So we're going to call this one the jalopy lesson. So today's lick of the day was actually a C minor pentatonic lick played with the loji ukulele. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to play you the lick, and then I'm going to slow it down, and we're going to break it down piece by piece. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, so let's break that down. What's happening here is we're playing an open top string, hammering on to the 3rd fret, hammering on to the 5th fret, and then playing the 3rd string. So it goes. And then back to the 4th string. Now we're going to do a pull off here at the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. And then back to the 5th fret of the 4th string. So, okay, now the long pull off goes from 6, 5, 3 to open. And then we do that same thing where we go 5th fret, open, and then pull off on the 3rd, back to 5th and open. Okay, so. Then I play the open again. And then we do the lick from the beginning. Okay, that same part again, that was the beginning. Now we're going to play this chord here, which is like, this is basically an A sharp. Okay, so here's your A sharp, but I'm just playing here and I'm playing the top 3 strings. So top, the middle 2, and then I play the C minor. So it's okay. And what this is a bar at the 3rd fret. Finger number 4 is on the 5th fret of the 3rd string, and finger number 3, or finger number 3 is on the 5th fret of the 3rd string, and finger number 4 is on the 2nd string, 6th fret. And then we go to C minor, which I'm playing a C minor 7, which is all 4 barred at the 3rd fret. Okay, so all together we got. And that's the lick of the day. It's actually more like a riff than a lick, but it's a fun one to play. And if you're dancing in C minor, that's the way to go. All right, guys, if you liked the video, please hit the like button below. Leave your comments below as well. If you're not already subscribed, we'd love to have you subscribe. And if you like the way I teach and you want to see more videos like this, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com, where we go through this stuff in detail. And right now you can get 2 weeks for free. So, all right, guys, take care. Aloha.